team of Thoubal District Commando under the supervision of Thoubal District SP Dr. S. Ibomchak arrested a drug peddler along with 4,000 pieces of WY tablets and 36 grams of heroin powder from Wangzing near YK College last evening at around 9. The Old Wangzing Lamding Market Shop and Vendors Welfare Committee has temporarily lifted the proposed 36-hour ban, which was slated to begin from 5 a.m. today till 5 p.m. of March 1 next. This was informed in a press release from the committee. Indian President Ramnath Kovind gave his note for resuming delimitation exercise in Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. As per media reports, a delimitation commission was set up under the Delimitation Act 2002 to readjust the division of each state and union territory into territorial constituencies for the purpose of Lok Sabha and state assembly elections on the basis of census figures of 2001. Staff Selection Commission SSC Chairman Braj Raj Sharma called on Donor Minister Jitendra Singh in New Delhi yesterday and apprised Donor Minister that SSC will fill about 1,40,000 vacancies in Group B and C for various ministries, departments and offices by March 2021, media reports said. The Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission (JERC) for the Mizoram and Manipur has decided to hike power tariff for Mizoram, which will come into effect from April 1st next. As per reports, a public hearing was held by the JERC in Aizawl the previous day following the decision of State Advisory Committee to hike power tariff.